All right, Mr. Hyde, I knew this game was a tough one before even the first whistle blow. I'm sure you know as well. An early goal you guys conceded from a minor mistake or in the defensive third. How did that really evaluate the team performance or going forward into the game? That first goal that you guys conceded so early in the game.
Well, the team showed character today. We have to know that sometimes we're going far behind. Anything can happen in a game. But they showed the resilience, good character. They played well. I think the underfoot condition didn't allow us to play our passing game. As you can see, we only made 265 passes compared to 500 at the last game. So the underfoot condition prevented us from playing. But I told them, in situations like these, we have to find ways how to win the game. And as I said, we have individual players in the team that can step up at any moment and win a game for us. And it's good to see Richard did it today. The overall team performance, I must give them a passing grade for that. You know, coming from behind with a big Edwin Allen team who are defending well, a lot of long balls, and we have to change our system and change our mentality in this game. And I thought we did well and adapt well to the situation.
That minor issue from the defenders. What did you really tell the defenders after that? Because I could clearly see that the mindset really changed. They dug in and they were heavily focused right through the rest of the game.
We have to put that out of our mind and continue playing back our system, our style of play. Because when you're down, we don't want to players have no bright idea. Like them can't go take it up and take shot from 40 yards out. We don't do it so we just continue playing with things until it changes. Thing changes, you know, especially in the second half now, where we can pass out from the back with not no water up here. So it look better going forward when we pass out and move forward. But as I said, this situation will happen. We just have to find a way to win the game. Or if you have a point, if we have got a point out of this, I would be glad.
All right, Mr. Hyde. Well done again, yeah?
Yeah, man.